Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are getting our first and second early potatoes into the buckets. This year, I am growing two fantastic varieties. For my first early, I have chosen Casablanca. For my second early, I am going with a classic Charlotte. Now, normally I would sow a main crop of potatoes as well, but this year I am doing something a bit different. I am giving that extra space over to Oka. If you haven't seen Oka before, think of them as the lemon-flavored cousins of the potato. They look like colorful little gems from the Andes, and I am really excited to see how they perform. For the potatoes, I am using 30-liter buckets. To get things started, we need good drainage. Today, I am adding some sawdust to the bottom. In the past, I have used straw or dry grass clippings, and both worked great, so feel free to use what you have on hand. Next, I am adding a layer of compost. I managed to make a lot of my own compost last year, so it feels great to finally be using it in the garden. We are going to plant these using a double-decker method, with 4 seed potatoes per bucket across 2 different levels. For the first level, I am placing 2 potatoes near the handles. You can think of this as north and south. Once they are in, I will cover them with another layer of compost. For the second level, I am adding 2 more potatoes. To make sure they aren't sitting directly on top of the ones below, I am placing east and west. This gives every potato plenty of room to grow without getting crowded. Once the second layer is covered with more compost, it is time for the nutrients. I am adding 1 small cup of chicken manure pellets and 1 small cup of fish, blood, and bone. This gives the plants everything they need to get off to a strong start. Finally, I am covering the buckets with a straw mulch. This protects the soil from drying out and guards against any late frosts. As an extra layer of protection, I am also adding some garden fleece over the top. But I am really looking forward to seeing how these 2 varieties compare. If you want to see how they get on and catch the harvest and cooking videos later this season, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Happy gardening!